Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk about a small review of Aerox 155 version X. The scooter is December 2025 purchased. So let's get into the review. This is a very quick review. Um, let's get into the details. Yeah. Here is a first look of the scooter. Just parked near the highway and then doing this review. So you might hear the roadside vehicle roaring sounds. Okay, so here is the front look. So you have the twin setup lighting, and you also have a small aerodynamic front to cover the head unit, and also you can see the details. So front is a disc brake which comes with the ABS, and the rear is a drum brake. But then they have done a small setup for, if you look into the detail, you can see the small setup of the braking. They have the traction control system, and yeah, in my view, the looks, the exhaust is upswept, and this could be the oil, I think, checking. And then this is the radiator, and the footrest for the pillion, and this is the fuel tank cover. And since this is a version S model, you don't find the keyhole, so rather we have the push button. And so there are a few settings which you can see. So let me give you the detail about it. I'll come back to that. And this is the rear LED setup. These are normal lights, bulbs, and then you have the reflector as well as the rear shock absorber is telescopic twin tube, I think. This is the air filter box. This is the air filter box. Then you have the center stand, and there is a side stand. Yeah, so let's get into the vehicle. Switch on. Yeah, I'll open up the seat and show you the boot space, which is about 24.5. So to open up the boot, you have to press, this is the remote key which came along with the scooter. So just you need to see the red color lighting when you press for a couple of seconds. Then you can see the lighting over here, that it is getting a lock unlock thing. And then this is the first setup. You just have to push and then twist it to off mode. Then it is to open it, you have to get this icon to the open mode. So when the white dot and open mode is in line, then there are two options. One for the fuel tank lid opener. If you press this, the fuel tank lid will open. Cover, this is a fuel tank cover. And then if you press the seat, you hear the sound. The seat is opened. Let's see the view of it. It's about 24.5 liter. So that's a huge space. You will just get a first aid kit. And here what you see is the Yamaha Connect. This is the Yamaha Connect, which has the Bluetooth facility. You just have to open this one, and then you need to see that. Normally this will be keep on running even the vehicle is parked, because it will give you the parked location as well. And yeah, let us see how the helmet is fitting in. So a full face helmet, okay, but you have to keep it in the ulta mode. Like the visor should be here, helmet visor, and the bottom should be here, okay. And then here is the VIN number of the scooter, which is just a rubber cover. If you can lift it, you can find that, okay. some groove they have given. Ideally they should provide some facility to groove, maybe to keep some things. This groove can be helpful, I believe. There are two places they have given a groove, but there is no provision or kind of something to lock that one. Maybe we can buy some kind of plastic a plastic plate and then cut it off, measure that, and then if you can insert in the groove, you will get compartment. So the groove is basically for the compartment. Here you can see the tire pressure numbers. See the tire pressure numbers, and then there is a hook for locking your helmet. There are two hooks to lock your helmet, and yeah, the seat, the helmet is been fully consumed inside the scooter. So now let's get and start the engine and see what else is there. I think I better come to a shade wherein, because this is not a yeah, I hope this is visible for the eyes. So if you look at closely, this is the average mileage what you can see, 37.5. in city I get around 36. And battery, and then this is the trip, and then you can see the, yeah, this is the overall odo 1581. Sorry for the catching up on the video. I think it's not so clear, but you can find it with the concentration. You can see the time, and then the TCS is on. Let's switch on the engine. Okay, now the engine is on. So the ABS will be visible over here, but once you start moving, the ABS light will go off, and these are the warning lights. Here is the start stop automatic system, which can save a lot of fuel, and this is the hazard light, so it will blink. This is the power button, and left if you see, the horn is this is the horn, and then the indicator, then you have high beam, low beam, and then the menu setting, the button is over here. Okay, so as such I haven't done much of modification. I just fitted these extra rubber or protection, I would say, on top of the fuel tank lid. And other than that, I got one screen guard which I bought from Amazon. It is not a very expensive thing. It's a thin film for the protection, and there is nothing much, no other big one. And yeah, for side stand I just had a extender. You can see that extender. So once the side stand is done, then once the side stand is on, the engine will cut off automatically. So how is the scooter good to ride?